Want to know how to track client performance in Vendasta? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how this powerful platform makes it easy to monitor and improve your clients' results. Whether you're managing campaigns, tracking analytics, or just looking to streamline your processes, Vendasta gives you all the tools to do it efficiently. And here's the best part, you can get started using it completely free from the first link below, plus we have some exclusive bonuses for you. First thing, when you're in Vendasta, navigate to the Reports section. This is where you'll be able to track key metrics like website traffic, engagement, and conversion data for your clients. It's all organized in one place, so you can see the overall performance without hopping between different tools. Next thing, focus on client dashboards. Vendasta allows you to customize these dashboards to showcase the most relevant performance indicators for your clients' needs. Whether it's social media performance, SEO ranking, or review monitoring, these visual summaries give you a snapshot of what's working and what needs attention. The third thing you'll want to explore is analytics tools. Vendasta provides deep insights into marketing activities, which helps in assessing campaign performance and adjusting strategies. With these insights, you can see how well different channels are driving results and even compare performance over time. If you're helping clients with SEO or paid ads, this is where the magic happens. The fourth thing, and this is key, is the reporting automation feature. You can set up automated reports that are generated on a scheduled basis, making it easy to send performance updates to your clients without having to manually track everything yourself. This saves you time and keeps your clients informed. Definitely a win-win. The fifth thing you'll find really useful is lead tracking. You can track the leads that are being generated through your campaigns and measure how well they're converting into actual sales or signups. This feature is incredibly helpful for understanding ROI and can guide future marketing strategies. And here's a pro tip. You can also use custom tags within Vendasta to segment clients by campaign type or performance levels, allowing for more tailored reporting and insights. This lets you focus on the clients who need extra attention or highlight top performers for further upsell opportunities. To wrap up, we've covered everything from building custom dashboards to automating reports and analyzing key metrics. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to track client performance in Vendasta, this software is a great option. Remember, you can try it out completely free using the first link below and grab our exclusive extended trial. Thanks for watching.